Picking per order app helps user to generate a picking order manually or automatic per sale order or per sale order line. Let's complete the picking configurations. For that we need to get into the settings under sales. When we scroll down, you can see and sale order picking configurations. So from here, if the user select a picking generated automatically option, then the picking order will be automatically be generated upon confirming the order. Okay. If the user select a picking per order option, then the single picking order will be generated for the sale order. If the user select picking per order line, then the picking order will be generated as per the order line that we have given. Okay, so let's save this one and get back to the sale order to create a new sales. Now let's get into the sale order. Let me create a new sale order from here. Okay, and let's select a customer and the products right away here. I have selected a 3 products. Okay, with this 3 order lines are here, and by confirming this order, okay, we can see there are 3 delivery orders are created. So as per the configurations that we have given. Okay, and let me get into the particular pickings. So from here you can see there are 3 order lines, so it will be created at 3 pickings right away here. Let me get into that, and you can see for each and every order line it will separately create a new pickings right away here. Okay, there are 3 pickings, there are 3 order lines that we have added. So let me change the settings. So for that, let me duplicate this tab, and from here let me get into the settings. When we scroll down, you can see we can change this by manually. Okay, first it will be created as an automatic. So once we have click on the confirm option, it will be automatically create a 3 delivery orders, that 3 pickings will be created. So let me do the same for manual also. So when I have changed that is if the user select and picking generated manually option, then the user needs to create a picking order manually after confirming the order. If the user select and picking per order option, then the picking order will be generated per the order. So let me save this one and see how it works. Okay, and we get back to the sale order. Now will duplicate the same order which we have already generated. Okay, with the 3 order line. Now we have changed that settings, that is it will be manually creating the picking order, right? So let me confirm this one, and from here you can see there is a manually creation of order. After confirming, that is after confirming the sale order, user can create a picking manually. That is by clicking on this picking, create picking, you can see a picking order will be generated. Okay, we have chosen the settings like it will be create and as per the order. So we can see the delivery order will be created once we click on the create picking, and these 3 orders will be on the same picking. You can see that right away here. Okay, and let me change the settings by using and per selected order line. That is if the user select and picking generated manually option, then the user needs to create and picking order manually by clicking on that particular button. Okay, if the user select a picking per order line, so then we need to select what are the order lines that we need to create as a picking. Okay, let me save this one and see how it actually works. Let me get into the sales now and get back to the sale order and let me refresh the page. Now let's duplicate this order. Okay, now I'm going to confirm this. Now you can see that is after confirming the sale order, user can create a picking manually by clicking on the create picking order, but before that we need to select what are the order lines that we need to give that we need to create as a picking. So from here I'm going to choose these 2. Okay, so before that that is the warehouse on each and every order line is must, so we need to select the warehouse right away here. Okay, I have chosen a 2 warehouse. Okay, I have 2 warehouse. I have chosen 2 different warehouse on these 2. Okay, and let me choose this as in warehouse 1. Okay, I'm going to choose these 3. Now it will be create a 2 picking order, that is for these 2 warehouses. Okay, let me create a picking. Now you can see, as I have said, these 2 orders are in the same warehouse. Let me choose this one, and from here you can see this 1 order will be created, and from here you can see there are 2 orders will be created. Okay, so user can see the generated picking like this. So in this way we can make use of this module to generate a picking manually or automatic. Thank you for watching.